Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn off your profile view on TikTok. So in case you want to turn off your profile view, because each and every time you view someone's profile, these individuals notice that you view their profile. So if you want to stay anonymous, you want to view people's profile without them getting to know that you viewed their profile, I will show you just one settings that can keep you anonymous, right? So just go straight to your TikTok.
Nobody expected me to bury an entire school bus beneath my backyard.
So once you tap on your profile, you will see this foot sign here, foot symbol. Tap on the foot symbol, then click on this settings sign here. Tap on the settings sign and toggle this off, right? So look at what they say: see who view your profile in the past 30 days. So once I toggle this off, I won't be able to see all these people that viewed my profile, and they won't see mine in turn. So once I toggle this off, I won't be able to see those who view my profile, and if I view other people's profile, they won't be able to see mine as well. So because of that, you will stay anonymous, and anytime you want to know who viewed your profile, you can actually come back to this foot symbol again and you turn it on, and you'll be able to see people that visited your profile within 30 days. So do well to subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one.